Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact BNP Paribas. So firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. And in the top there is address bar, you need to type on BNP Paribas and enter it. So from here you need to go to this bank BNP Paribas. So over here once you're inside this home page, you need to scroll a bit down and go to this contact us here on the bottom. So from here, scroll a bit down again. So you can simply select if you're a client, candidate, or investor, as I'm going to select this client or a prospect here. And you need to select this by phone. So over here, once you're inside this home page, what you can do is if you want to call to the customer service, which is the international emergency contact +33157082200. And you can simply contact to them. And before contacting the customer service, make sure you have a customer account information available for your identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.